Welcome to MedRecruit. Medical recruitment is changing. With the introduction of new technologies from AI agents, and other automation processes, staying competitive is one of the biggest key in the industry. Recruitment today has become complex. With a variety of ATS and other systems in place, managing your pipeline has become complex, being able to process the large amount of applicants in your pool and knowing which is worth spending your time on and which is good, as well as the cost of sourcing, which has increased over the years. And with a change in the market dynamics, staying competitive has become more and more complicated, as well as the cost of compliance with handling the communications and the way you interact with the staff. Many companies are seeing that they're spending well over $1,000 a week on recruiter with the cost of the lifestyle in the US and the cost of other aspects, putting a lot of companies in distress. So how do you stay ahead? So staying ahead means being competitive with technology and using the technology which exists, and using your people in the right roles, using them to close and perform critical decisions in the flow of the recruitment. You can reduce your overheads and up to a point of up to 90% of your cost with an effective implementation of technology. And of course, with a difficult environment, then growing your business is key to ensure that you're capturing the right opportunities which are going to bring you the business you need to grow. So what does MedRecruit do? First, we're an AI agent company. So we are designed to automate discovery, trying to find new applicants which match different positions within a VMS, perform the onboarding, collecting critical information, understanding the applicant's need, and getting the right applicant into the pipeline. Matching beyond just the required job titles, but matching based on certifications and personal preference to get the best applicants for the job, and credentialing, performing certain credentialing tasks to speed up the process of getting people ready for a position in a VMS. So how does it work? As an AI agent, it's a very plug and play environment. The most important thing for you is that you set up your VMS so the agents are aware of the jobs available. Integrate your ATS system so we can use existing potential people to match and to work from. And then the AI agent takes the rest, performing discovering tasks, performing the onboarding tasks, and performing the submission, and what is involved in each. The AI agent is able to look at the VMS jobs and create jobs in your job boards. Not only are they creating jobs, but they're looking at your competitor and optimizing your jobs for the best results possible for getting the right applicant. Performing social media searches, going through social media accounts, finding the right people, and sending out communications to see if they're interested in your job opportunities. And finally, the advertisement, the advertising of jobs in social media and other forums to try to attract the right talent. The onboarding stage. The onboarding stage takes a very personalized approach, performing deep understanding of your applicant and treating them like an individual, asking them key questions about their preferences, desires, and where they want to be in the future to ensure that their matching capability goes beyond just basic skills and credentialing, but takes into what they desire and how they should be sold to, as well as document collection, collecting critical documents as resumes, references, and other types of documents, and performing certain credentialing tasks and working with your core credentialing or recruitment team to ensure that the person is qualified for the job and has all the credentialing required. And the final stage is the submission stage, where the submission stage will perform deep matching as soon as jobs are available to the right people, creating personalized communication with each individual to get the best match for the job, and creating the submission package to be able to get them submitted to the job as quick as possible. With all these tools available, you can see that this is going to change the industry. But there's also other benefits. First is the personalized profiling. Not only do we look at an applicant just as someone with skills, but we really try to take into account their personality, what their challenges are, what their likes, their dislikes, and also how to talk to them. So we treat every applicant as an individual. No more mass messaging, no more mass SMS, but individually customized information. The AI agents work 24/7, so don't lose opportunity for staff which are working night shift or off hours. The AI agent is able to communicate them when they need to be communicated to. The solution is plug and play. So once you've set up and configured the system, all you do is need to monitor it to be able to get the system working. So just see the growth, the actions happen before your eyes. And not only that, it will start growing new people outside of your ATS system. As new jobs come up and appear, the system will identify, track, and start adding these people to the system. But there's more here. You're going to get more placements, more opportunities, more growth, and you're going to lose less resources. The VMS integration will give you a free tool to be able to see all the jobs available to you. And not only that, to be able to perform certain reporting and analytics to see what opportunities exist across your different VMSs and what are highly probable jobs which can be done. Not only will this help the agents, but it'll also help your team in terms of what to target in the future. The ATS integration really improves the utilization, with some companies seeing up to 80% improved in usage of the staff that they already have. So making the people in the systems that you've invested in work for you. The social media integration is a free integration to get your social media accounts active and to get people interacting with you. Evaluating opportunity reports in terms of what has been targeted, what is working, what is not working, to help you predict the future and predict out forecasting for the future. A task management tool. So instead of recruiters requiring to understand what they need or credentials understanding what they need to do, the task management tool is going to tell them what they need to do to be able to perform specific activities with an applicant, which means no more waiting around or organization, just proactivity in the process. And of course, new applicants. Always be building your database, always be building the reach. So to get started, we customize all our plans per individual. Just simply book a meeting, we'll go through your needs, and we'll create a custom onboarding and package for you and your business.